Kailangan bilisan natin pagdidesisyon natin. If you need to hire that person, you hire that person. And if you need to fire that employee, you fire that employee. Mabilis na decision, mabilis na production, mabilis na connection, mabilis na decision, mabilis na follow-up, mabilis na closing the deal. That's what you need. Okay? Speed. Okay, Gilivers, alam mo ba that you can hit 1 million in your business if you will be doing these 3 things? Let's go, let's go. Okay. So sa mga may negosyo, may dalawa pong paraan how to hit your 1 million or how to have big income or your big profit. So meron tayong tinatawag na traditional and the new way to have your 1 million income. Okay? So punta muna tayo sa traditional. Alam nyo, marami tayong advice o mapapanood o mga tips na makikita, mababasa on how to hit your first million. Example, some advisors will tell you, you need more people. Tama naman po. Alam nyo, to scale up your business, you need more people. So, you hire more people. That can help, okay? That can help in your production, that can help in your marketing, that can help you in your sales. So, second is more events. Sabi nga nila, more events, mas maraming inquiries, mas maraming follow-up, and mas marami kang makuklose na deals, okay? And third, ito po, more market segment. So, mas marami kang types of clients, so mas maraming chances na mas maraming bibili sa'yo. Or, more streams of your income. So, lahat ng yan tinuturo natin. These are all traditional ways on how to hit your 1 million. Pero alam nyo ba na merong mas magandang gawin natin? Kaya sa lahat ng may negosyo, meron po tayong 3 dapat gawin. Okay? So, first is, kailangan mo na ng speed. Okay? So, on top of more people, more events, more market segments, more streams of income, kailangan mo ng speed. Kailangan bilisan natin pagdidesisyon natin. If you need to hire that person, you hire that person. And if you need to fire that employee, you fire that employee. Mabilis na decision, mabilis na production, mabilis na connection, mabilis na decision, mabilis na follow-up, mabilis na closing the deal. That's what you need. Okay? Speed. Huwag kalimutan ang speed. Mula sa iyo, papunta sa department head mo, mula sa iyo, mga empleyado, kailangan laging may speed. Okay? Speed is the name of the game. That is the best way to beat your competition. Alright? So, second is, eto, i-try natin, subukan natin lahat. Ads. Okay? Mag-ads tayo. So, it can increase your sales. Sa next vlog ko, papakita ko po sa inyo yung competition kung paano hindi ka dapat manghinayang. Okay? And third, of course, kailangan ang negosyo mo, dagdagan mo na ng sikretong formula. Alam nyo, lahat ng nagtagumpay, meron silang secret ingredient na kanilang negosyo. Dapat meron kang sikretong formula. Kung may mga general formula na ginagawa ng mga competitors mo dyan sa paligid mo, kailangan ikaw meron kang sikreto. Pilitin mong magkaroon ng sikretong trade or sikretong ingredient or sikretong something ang iyong negosyo. Hindi pwedeng pare-pareho kayo. Okay? Kung nakikita mo lahat ng competitors mo, pare-pareho kayo ng ginagawa, dapat meron kang isang sikreto. Pilitin mong ma-formulate yung isa na yon na ikaw lang ang may ganito. At yung sikreto na yon, ikaw lang nakakalam. Okay? So, pilitin mo na meron kang sikreto. Okay? So, it's speed, ads, and secret para may iba ang negosyo mo. Okay? To hit your 1 million. Let's go, let's go. Kapi po tayo. Kapi po. Thank you for watching. We are inviting you to attend our free webinar on how to save and invest the right way and how to avail sa Kaiser. PM na sa personal lobby ko po.